On this Choke Canyon flyover, we're going to follow the FRIO River as it passes in front of the Callahan State Park. Recent rains have flooded the FRIO River and they are now reaching Lake Choke Canyon. On this drone flyover, we're going to follow the rushing waters as they head downstream towards the dam. The water is spilling out onto the flats of the lake where vegetation has been growing. It will all be underwater very soon as we take the last look at the bottom of Lake Choke Canyon. Thanks for flying with me on this drone video. If you like it, give me a like. If you'd like to see more content like this, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Sure appreciate you. And good fishing to all.